Could've just...
No. Listen, I'ma stalk your page. You post up pics and you don't get paid. I'ma download them as a new screensaver. Why? Cause you a fucking lifesaver. No candy, but do come in handy. At nighttime when I use Mr. Handy. Looking at your Facebook pics, gotta have that. Grab that, save, upload. Shit, tag that. Twerk video, let me see what that's about. I'm gonna take the water bottle, put it to my fucking mouth. What else can I say? I'm thirsty.
How many pigs did you like?
Nigga, 30. I got more time to like more. Even though I shared hers, I still like yours. I'm thirsty, and ho, I'm cocky. Got a problem with that bitch? Block me. Thirsty, nigga, I'ma stalk your page. I'ma stalk your page, bitch. I'm a thirsty nigga, I'ma stalk your page. I'ma stalk your page, bitch. Stop posting videos, have naked pictures, ho. Cause I'm a thirsty nigga, I'ma stalk your page. I'ma stalk your page. I saw you post that pic and I liked it. Commented, shared. Why? Cause I liked it. The videos you post dancing, twerking. I didn't want to watch it, but damn, she working. You said don't write you, I still did. I seen you post a status saying you need someone to chill with. Well, we can chill, cause I got nothing to do. And that, to be honest, status, yeah, I like that too. When I'm bored,
inbox.
when I record,
inbox.
go to the store,
inbox.
no matter what I do, I'ma inbox you. Cause I'm a thirsty nigga, I'ma stalk your page. I'ma stalk your page, bitch. I'm a thirsty nigga, I'ma stalk your page. I'ma stalk your page, bitch. Stop posting videos, have naked pictures, ho. Cause I'm a thirsty nigga, I'ma stalk your page. I'ma stalk your page. Tagged somebody that's thirsty, or somebody you thirsty with. Facebook.com/Talented Instagram at Talented and of course my kick is at Talented Follow me on all three. Background rapper is Brian Stay Chillin'. Ha!